I have here 4 circles on 4 separate layers with layer styles applied to just circle 1. Now I would like to copy those layer styles across all 4 circles. So we've got a few options just here. If I hold down the Alt or the Option key and drag the word stroke from circle 1 to circle 2, I am able to copy that stroke layer style. If I want to copy all of the styles, again hold down Alt or Option and drag the word effects to another layer like so. Another option, if I right mouse click on circle 1 and choose copy layer style, I'm now going to click on circle 3 to select it. Holding down Command or Control, I'll also click on circle 4. So both of these layers are selected just now. Right mouse clicking and choosing paste layer style. And there we go. We have now successfully copied those layer styles across all 4 layers. But of course, here's the problem. Circle 1, I'm going to double click on the word stroke and change the size from 30 to 50. This looks great, but of course the problem is I have to repeat the process if I want all 4 to look the same. So I'm going to show you a potential solution to this in just a moment, but before I do, I want to show you one thing. Circle 4 just here, I'm just going to drag that so it's overlapping circle 3. No big surprises, just keep this in mind, this will make sense in just a few moments. So let's go up to File, Revert to get back to where we started. So now the potential solution, guys, is to group all of the layers together and then have those layer styles applied to the group. So here in the Layers panel, circle 1 is selected. Holding down the Shift key, I'm now going to click on circle 4. That selects all the layers between circle 1 and 4 inclusive. Now I can right mouse click on the layer and choose Group from Layers, or I could just hold down Command or Control and press G for Group. So we can see those 4 layers have now been successfully grouped together, and the layer styles applied to circle 1, I'm just going to drag the word effects up to the group, and because I wasn't holding down Alt or Option, it didn't create a copy, it actually moved those styles from circle 1 to the group. And check it out, we have now achieved the look that we were going for. And of course, the great news here is if I double click on the word stroke and change the size from say 30 to 50 again, choosing OK, we can see that change has immediately showed up on all of the layers within the group. So this is generally great, but here's the big potential gotcha. Let's go and grab circle 4 again and move it so that it's overlapping with circle 3, and check this out. So we can see that Photoshop is treating all 4 of these layers as a single unit and applying the layer styles to that. So when the layers are separate, this is the result. When they overlap, this is the result. This, guys, is potentially an incredibly powerful technique. It can also be incredibly annoying if this is the look you do not want to achieve. So I might wrap things up just there, guys. I hope that helps you out with your application of layer styles here inside of Photoshop. Catch you later.